DIY hair mask that's really good for frizzy hair. So we're entering summer and it's getting a lot hotter outside, and you just want to be able to wear it in a style all day without having to worry about it. So this is a really good hair mask to do the night before if you're going to wear your hair down and you don't want it to be frizzy. It's also very good for damaged hair as well. So the two things you're going to need a banana. Make sure it's ripe, so that means that there's brown spots and it's really soft and easy to peel. So smash up the banana with a fork. Consistency you want this banana to be is almost like baby food, so just keep smashing it up. That's why a fork works best, and it will turn to a liquidy type of paste. And then you're going to add the olive oil. Add 2 teaspoons of olive oil and go ahead and mix that up, and then you're ready to apply it to your hair. So out of all the DIY hair masks that I do, this one is definitely the most messy, so I suggest you do it in the bathroom and put on a towel. And the best way I've found to apply it is just to take a bunch of it in my hand and lay it flat onto my hair and then just work it down. There will still be some banana chunks in there, so just make sure to really smooth it down first before applying it. Okay, so today I feel like I'm doing my hair crimp style, so I'm going to be using this. So the easiest way I found to crimp my hair is to section it off in 3 parts, and I already used a heat protectant on it. This is really easy to use because you can take really big sections of hair and then just clamp it down like this. It only takes a few seconds. Okay, so I'm completely done with my whole hair. This is honestly the fastest styling tool that I have. It's just like boom, 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 and it's pretty much done. I don't have to do too many sections. So I'd really recommend this if you wanted waves really quickly. And you can always get tighter crimps if you just do smaller sections. So this is what it looks like. And I haven't applied any product into it yet. This is what the back is looking like. I don't even feel like, I usually put like gel right here to smooth it down. I don't even feel like I need to do that. Maybe tomorrow when I wear like second day hair, it's going to frizz a little bit. Since I switched it up and used the banana and olive oil and changed up my little like hair treatment routine, able to rejuvenate it a lot better than doing like the same oil over and over again.